Hey guys, so in this video we are going to discuss separation of variables with U-substitution. Certain ordinary differential equations might have variables that cannot be separated easily using algebraic manipulations. So in this video we are going to discuss a technique that will enable the use of variable separation method for these types of ordinary differential equations. But take note that this method can only be applied for homogeneous ordinary differential equations. So let's take this example here. Solve the equation x squared minus xy plus y squared minus xy y prime equal to 0. Okay, again, before we proceed with this method, we need to check if our equation is homogeneous. So from our definition, again on our last video, so yung gagawin nyo lang, you'll just replace x by kx and then y with ky. And then we'll just simplify this. And after that, we will just factor out k. So we can factor out k squared here. So we have k squared times x squared minus xy plus y squared minus xy y prime. So kung mapapansin nyo, yung terms between the brackets is actually yung original function natin. So we can replace that with f of xy. Therefore, by definition, this function is homogeneous to the second degree. So dahil homogeneous siya, we can proceed with the following method in solving it. Okay, so in this method, we are going to introduce a new variable u, and we are going to let this be equal to y over x. Therefore, our y is equal to u times x. And then yung derivative naman ito, by product rule, y prime natin will be equal to u prime x plus u. And now yung gagawin natin, we are just going to substitute y and y prime, which is now in terms of u, doon sa original equation natin. So we will have x squared minus x times, again yung y natin, that will now be equal to u times x, plus u times x squared, and then minus x times our y again, which is equal to u times x, times our y prime, which is now equal to u prime x plus u equal to 0. So after this, we are just going to simplify. So we can divide our whole equation by x squared. So we are left with this function. And then let's distribute u. So we can see that this term and this term will cancel out. So we are left with 1 minus u prime x equal to 0. So let us just rewrite this. We have 1 minus u equal to ux, and then yung u prime natin, let's write that as du over dx. Okay? So ngayon, kung mapapansin nyo, itong dalawang variables natin, u and x, we can actually separate it easily. So we can now have dx over x equal to u du over 1 minus u. So again, ngayon, yung variables natin separated na. So, pwede na nating i-apply yung steps na ginawa natin last time. So, yung gagawin lang natin is we will just integrate both sides of our equation in order to obtain our solution. So, before we proceed with our integration, let me just rewrite this second term. So, yung gagawin ko lang, imumultiply ko lang ng negative 1 both numerator and denominator ng second term natin. So we will have positive u du over u minus 1. Kasi mas madaling i-integrate ito. So proceeding with our integration, you have the integral of our first term that will just be equal to ln of x Plus, for the second term, let me just divide this muna. So this will be the integral of 1 plus 1 over u minus 1 du equal to the integral of 0. Again, that is just a constant c. Evaluating this integral, we will have u plus ln of u minus 1 equal to 0. Oops, this should not be 0, that should be c. So taking the exponential of both sides of our equation, again, to cancel the natural logarithm here, so we will have x times e raised to u times u minus 1 equal to c1, again, where c1 is equal to e raised to c. So in terms of our original variables, this will be equal to x times e. Our u, recall that is equal to y over x. So this will be times y over x minus 1 equal to c1. So we can simplify this further. We will have e raised to y over x, and then multiply lang natin yung x dito. So we will have y minus x equal to c1. Okay, so this is now our solution, our general solution. Kasi recall, meron pa tayong arbitrary constant. Therefore, this is just a general solution. So, hindi natin makukuha yung particular solution kasi wala namang mga conditions na given. Ibig sabihin, okay na, enough na itong solution na ito. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video.